Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start engaging with crypto influencers with Instagram. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Instagram and log into your account. Use the search function to find crypto influencers. Type relevant keywords such as crypto, blockchain, or Bitcoin. Review the profiles that appear in the search results. Look for accounts with a significant following and high engagement rates. Click on their profiles to learn more about their content. Take note of their posting style and the topics they cover. Start following those influencers whose content aligns with your interests. Engage with their posts by liking and commenting thoughtfully. Craft insightful comments that contribute to the conversation. Ask questions that encourage further discussion in the comments section. Share their content in your stories while providing your perspective. Tag the influencers in your stories to catch their attention. Consider sending direct messages to introduce yourself. Keep your message concise and relevant to their content. Discuss your shared interests in cryptocurrency or ask for their insights. Participate in live sessions or Q&A they may host. Join discussions and comments during live sessions to network further. Make use of relevant hashtags in your own posts about crypto. Create content that provides value to the crypto community. Showcase your knowledge while tagging influencers when appropriate. Stay consistent in your interactions to build relationships. Monitor their responses and engage with them over time. Analyze which posts generate the best engagement and adapt your strategy. Be genuine and authentic in your engagement to foster trust. Continue to explore new influencers regularly to expand your network. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.